Amy beat you to the hill, Lise.
They got 3 people, we got 4.
Yeah. But they got 2 disadvantages. One, they're in the Amy, and 2, the biggest disadvantage is Richard's driving.
Oh yeah. It's gonna
Oh,
stop.
get in there, Derry. Oh, Richard's going to first. Go on, he got overtaken. Go right up behind him. Beep, 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 beep. Go right behind him. We could have got him.
Hello.
Right, just take this service road to the right.
Yep.
Immediately left up to the far end, and the 2 CVs are on the far end.
Lovely. Thank
Thank
you very
you.
much. Yeah, just am I the only Dyane?
Yeah, go that, the guy.